I'm Petrana with Century 21 Epic, and the home that I'm about to show you today has a fantastic location here at the Spring Lake community in Woodland, California. 1840 Estrada Drive has no rear neighbors, and it's also literally located just steps away from a new park that is being built here at the community. Also, within 1 minute to 15-minute drive, you can find 5 different grocery stores around the home. You have Rayleigh's, you have Costco, you have Food for Less, you have Nugget Markets, and you have the brand new Sprouts supermarket. Also, looking at the bigger map, this home is located just 15 minutes away from University of Davis. It's located 14 minutes away from Sacramento International Airport, and it's just 45 minutes away from Travis Air Force Base. So let's go and take a look. Welcome to your new home. I'm excited to give you a tour today, but first things first. This home is built in 2020 and it has 2,443 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms and many different features, amazing features throughout the home. Also, let's not forget that this house has an assumable VA mortgage at 2.25%. So for any of our retired and active military, let me know if you need additional information. Another unique feature of this home is the fact that there is a bedroom and a full bathroom on the first floor. This first floor ensuite is actually separate from the bedrooms on the second level, which creates privacy and is great for guest room or for in-laws room. And now we're heading towards the kitchen. Look at this chef's dream kitchen. You have wonderful countertops. You have a walk-in pantry for your convenience. And this is in addition to the numerous builder upgraded kitchen cabinets that are in a shade that is matching the rest of the woodwork throughout the home. And of course, the kitchen comes with state-of-the-art appliances. You have huge refrigerator, you have stove, hood, and look at this beautiful microwave and stove combo. And yes, you can definitely cook here for the holidays. We can make this happen for you. So just schedule your appointment today. And talking about holidays, this great room full of light is perfectly designed for your entertaining needs. And it has built-in speakers for your surround sound system experience. This great room also has access to the outside entertaining area. And look at this fabulous backyard. I know what you're thinking. It is impossible to find a new home with already improved backyard. And you're right. But this home and this backyard, they have it all. You have space for your outdoor dining set over here. And right next to it, you have some grass area. So you can do planter boxes or you can do a playground structure. But my favorite part is right over here. You can unwind with a glass of wine after a long day at work around the fire, or you can just enjoy some family time and eat some s'mores. Another important feature about the backyard is this extra tall brick fence. It's maintenance free, which you don't have to spend money to maintain, and it adds to the overall efficiency of your new home. And speaking about efficiency, this home has a tankless water heater. It also has solar panels. It also has smart thermostats, 1 for each floor, and 240-volt charging station in the garage for your electric vehicle. And last but not least, this home has a smart irrigation system with rain sensors, so you don't have to worry about turning off your sprinklers when it's raining outside. And before we head to the second floor, I want to show you this amazing Harry Potter closet area, which adds to the overall storage of the home, or you can also use as a play area. Another unique feature of this home is this loft that is centrally located on the second floor. You can use that as a play area, or you can build your own gym. Also, it has a nice Juliet balcony, and it overlooks the main entrance of the house, so you can greet your guests from here when they walk in. Also very important, super important, the laundry room in this house is on the second floor, where the majority of the bedrooms are, which makes it very easy and convenient to do those chores with the laundry. And look at this spacious and full of life primary bedroom. It overlooks your backyard retreat, and it also has an uninterrupted view of the endless fields behind the community. Just imagine sipping your morning coffee on a beautiful summer morning when all these fields are covered in blooming sunflowers. Priceless. What else makes this primary suite priceless is the bathroom. Let's take a look. It has a relaxing, freestanding, soaking hot tub right next to the oversized shower area. It also has 2 sinks and of course huge walk-in closet, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today to see my new listing. And like they say, if you sleep on it, you might not sleep in it. So don't sleep on it and schedule your showing appointment today.